Hey guys, um, gamer, let's begin. Hi, how are you? So, how is everybody doing? Today, I'm here for the U.S. economic data, ADP non-farm employment change. This is seen as a high impact event, as you already know from my analysis. And later today we'll have the BOC rate statement, overnight rate. If you are trading the Canadian dollar, maybe the US oil, very important. Will have a big impact on the US dollar as well, on gold, on the silver, on US dollar, US oil, yeah. And also Fed Chair Powell testifies. This is seen as a high impact event again because yesterday it has forced, maybe actually it has forced maybe the price of gold and silver to drop to extend the sell-off. Also it has boosted the US dollar. And yeah, later today, Fed Chair Powell testifies, and also job openings as a high impact event. But in less than 4 minutes, we'll have the ADP non-farm employment change. And personally, I've talked about today. I've talked about gold in my daily video analysis, and I've said that maybe I will look for potential longs in the short term. So right now, first reaction, it has registered only a false breakout above 1,816. So right now, the only reason why I'm not already long, maybe here on gold, it's only because in less than 3 minutes we'll have the ADP non-farm employment change as a high impact event. Anything could happen, guys. Anything could happen. And in my opinion, yeah, better than expected US data could lift the US dollar, could force the yellow metal to drop deeper. But right now it has reached the demand zone again here in the short term. So maybe personally I'm still looking for potential longs because poor US data, economic data could force the price of gold to jump higher in the short term. Also because the DXY could retreat a little in the short term after its strong rally. But yeah, right now 105.63 key level. It tries to retest it. A larger retreat here could help the price of gold and silver to rebound. Okay, but yeah, and could force the US dollar to lose some ground versus its rivals. But right now, maybe this could still be only a temporary drop, a temporary retreat before extending its growth. Okay, so ADP non-farm employment change. Also later, trade balance, Canadian trade balance, US trade balance. But I don't know, maybe we'll have sharp movements and high action, maybe we'll have a temporary retreat, and maybe the traders will wait for the BOC and for the Fed Chair Powell testifies, for job openings before taking action. So in the short term, maybe the dollar index, the US dollar could change little, gold could change little ahead of the BOC, yeah, job openings, and the Fed Chair Powell testifies. Don't forget, guys, to read the disclaimer. Yeah, I forgot about it. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. If you have questions, you can send an email to support. Yeah, don't forget that. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join the VIP groups, the Forex VIP group, the Crypto VIP group, or the Swing Trading group, you can access the link posted right below this video. So yesterday, but you already know from my video that yesterday I've catched this sell-off here with a sell stop from here, and I took profit here right above 1.06 psychological level, only because the fundamentals forced the pair, the currency pair, to drop here, this massive sell-off, and I thought that maybe the price could rebound from around the former lows, but right now it challenges maybe the former low. Yeah, and temporary rebounds could signal potential deeper drop here on Euro USD. So better than expected. ADP non-farm employment change better than expected, guys. So probably the US dollar could try to extend its growth, to take the lead again. DXY. Right, so as I've said, if it stays above 105.63, it could try to jump higher. So right now in the short term, probably also that potential scenario in gold could be invalidated, but yeah, let's wait to see how the price of gold will react here around 1,812, this immediate low. If it stays above it to retest, then maybe probably I will still try to catch a potential new upside movement, upwards movement. But right now, better than expected US data. So ADP non-farm employment change 242,000, better than expected, better in February, better compared to January as well. So that's why right now the US dollar could try to take the lead again versus its rival. So let's try to identify maybe potential US dollar longs. If you have questions, guys, also I'm waiting for messages in that YouTube chat. But if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please, I need your levels, your time frame. So maybe this could represent a potential flag pattern. 1.0532 as support. Right now it challenges here the immediate demand, the dynamic support level, and I believe that taking out maybe the support levels, test retests, or making a value breakdown and the new lower low could activate maybe deeper drop here. But also, don't forget that the reason why I don't want to place right now a trade, I'll wait for confirmation here, it's only because after it's a strong rally, the dollar index could still be overbought in the short term. And even if the US data came in better than expected, maybe the DXY could still try to come back to retest the immediate support levels, downside obstacles, demand zones before really trying to extend its growth. Okay, so even if the ADP non-farm employment change came in better than expected, it remains to see if the dollar index will really extend its growth from here. Okay, and maybe this could represent a potential flag pattern, an upside continuation pattern, or it could come back down to retest maybe these levels, former highs, a potential imbalance, a potential demand zone before really extending its growth. Okay, so it could right now we could have only maybe a temporary reaction after better than expected US data, but yeah. Talal, gold, yeah, we'll take a look on gold. US 30, please, 1 hour time frame. Give us a win, sir. This is my opinion. That's why I've said that maybe I will still keep an eye on gold. I've talked about gold. Talal, I've talked about gold also in my video analysis today. Did you watch the video, Talal? Because personally I've sent the video into the VIP group as well. I've shared my my analysis in gold, and I talked about a potential upwards movement if the dollar index will retreat, if the dollar index will drop. Okay, so gold in the short term, gold. as I've said, if it stays above 1,812, I will look for potential longs for new buying opportunities, because staying here above this this level could signal that this was only a temporary retreat, and then it could try to develop a new bullish momentum, and I will look. But taking out this support, invalidating this demand, closing here below this level may signal potential deeper drop, at least towards 1,809 again. But right now, yeah, it continues to stay. As I've said, guys, maybe the dollar index is still overbought, okay, and despite better than expected US data, maybe the dollar index could still retreat, and if this scenario will take shape, then gold could turn to the upside, could develop a larger rebound. Sorry about that. Just tune in now. Okay, Talal, but please, you can watch the video later as well. Do you do binary options? No. Sinan, hi, how are you? So yeah, I will keep an eye here right now in the short term on gold, because I really want maybe to catch something in gold. And later today, as I said, BOC, Fed Chair Powell testifies, job openings. So yeah, it could react around the economic data later as well. But right now we cannot exclude maybe a potential bullish momentum or something in the short term, even if the US data came in better than expected. Okay, so here in imbalance, a demand zone, that's why the price reached this demand zone. It has and it's fighting hard to rebound, but also a new supply, but I will keep an eye on this potential flag, on this potential channel. Okay, and if I'll have something, I will try to place a trade here in gold again. Yeah. I will try to catch something here in gold. One moment, because maybe I will try to catch something here in gold. So yeah, personally I have something like this, maybe in the short term in gold. I will try to one moment, I will try to calculate the risk in my account to see if I can trade it, and if I will decide to place the trade in my real account, then I will come back. I will share my my trade. 0.5. Okay. Because I've talked about gold, and right now it has reached this demand, new demand zone. .5. One moment. Okay. So personally, one moment, I will take a look again on the chat. Hi Olympic, looking to buy USD, Japanese yen, US 30 morning. Hi, how are you? So personally, I will share my trade into the VIP group right now in gold. If you are not a VIP member, you will not have my trade. You will not have actually, even if you saw the levels, or even if you know the levels, you will not have my trade management. You will not have, and then I will try to answer to your questions. And I will look for potential new trades as well. New trades. My stop loss, TP. My risk. Okay. Okay, so if you are a VIP member, you received my trade in gold. I've talked about the thought process earlier today, also in that video. Good morning, just joined VIP today. Hassan, hi, how are you? Yeah, nice to have you here. Chris, hi, how many pips have you made every month? I don't know, it doesn't matter. Personally, I'm not interested in pips because you can make maybe with 10 pips. You can make 1%, for example, 1% in your trading account with 10 pips. You can make 1% with 100 pips. You can make 1% with 1000 pips. So it doesn't matter. So what matters is the lot size, the position size. Yeah. So yeah, right now a potential flag here in gold, and personally I've sent my pending order if it stays here above this immediate low, because if it thousands of pips in VIP group, Conspit Freeman, Chris or RR, yeah. So as I've said, as long as it stays above 1,812, it could still develop a bullish momentum here in the short term. This could represent only a temporary drop, okay? But right now I still need confirmation. Right now in the short term, the volatility is high. The price of gold registered sharp movements right after the ADP non-farm employment change. Personally, I will keep an eye on this setup, on this pending order. I will come back with an update. Is 136.7 a good level to buy US dollar Japanese yen? I will take a look on that market. Yeah. One moment, let's invite more members. Okay. Okay. VIP channel. Okay, so about US dollar Japanese yen, I will come back with an update into the VIP group about gold if I will decide to delete the pending order or to keep the pending order. Thank you guys for being here. I will try to answer. Hope I end of month. What? Hope in end of month send us PIP statistic. Yeah. Great, perfect. So US dollar, Japanese yen. Someone asked me. Kung Fu Toys, is 136.7 a good level to buy? So 136, 36.7, a good level to buy. I don't know. Right now it's 137.08. Okay. Hi, I'm from VIP Group. Are you trading gold versus USD? What? I'm trading gold, yeah, versus USD. Yeah. I have a pending order. I'm not trading anything right now. I have a pending order. I'm waiting, okay, because better than expected US data could still force the price of gold to come back down. But as I've said, if the dollar index is still overbought, then a potential deeper drop here on the dollar index could force maybe gold and silver to jump higher. Okay, so that's why right now I have a pending order in gold. Yeah. Do you have PayPal payment for VIP signals? No, I don't think that we have PayPal. So please, guys, if you have questions about subscription, about services, personally, I'm here only as a trading analyst. Learn to trade, support. Please send an email to support. The support team, the support agents will sort you out. We'll come back to you guys with the answers you need, because personally I don't know, but no, I don't think that we have PayPal. Nah. Okay, so about US dollar, Japanese yen. Personally, I will keep an eye here on 137.03. Okay, this first demand zone. Yeah, after this amazing rally, a retreat was natural, and yeah, personally, maybe I'm still looking for potential longs here on this market, on US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and I don't know what to say about 136.70, and as long as the price, because as long as the price continues to stay here, and if it stays above the former highs, above the immediate maybe demand zone or something, it could try to rebound from here. Okay, but later, don't forget that the BOC, Fed Chair Powell testifies, and the job openings will have a big impact again, maybe on US dollar, Japanese yen. So yeah, the fundamentals will move the markets. Today will shake the market. So that's why we'll have to be careful. Or yeah, it's up to you if you want to be careful, if you want to. But even if you are an experienced trader, anything could happen around high impact events. So I knew how much give risk reward is your VIP single. It depends about risk to reward ratio. So right now, personally, I've sent a new trade, guys, in gold into the VIP group. I'm risking 0.46%, so my risk is 0.46%, and my reward is 2. So I could make maybe maybe 0.92% on that trade in the so 1.2 is my risk, 1 to 2 it's my risk to reward the ratio right now in my new trade in gold, but it depends. Yeah. Hola Orlando. No, it's not Orlando here. I'm Olympio. Tell me how to control greed. So yeah, every trader it's different, but it's important to understand, guys, that it's important also to understand. Yeah, like yesterday. Let's take a look here. Yesterday, okay, Euro USD. my trade in Euro USD was something like this. One moment. My setup, actually, my short was something like this, maybe in with a stop loss there, with something like this, maybe. Was I've had my trade yesterday. I don't know exactly the setup, but something like this, maybe. For example, right? 2.5, actually. I believe that I had 2.5 maybe here. Here in Euro USD, okay. And very important, after this after moving my stop loss at break even, yeah, personally I've let the trade ride, and after this massive sell-off, okay, a strong drop, personally I've decided to close my position here at 1.0606, something like this, okay, for around 65 pips profit or something like this, okay. And I decided to manage my position, to take profits, even if the price drop it deeper. But it's important also to take profits as well. It doesn't matter, maybe 0.5, 1%, 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 or something like this. If you are using, for example, a small risk like 0.4, 0.3, it's important also to take profits, right? Because you cannot win all the trades, or maybe not all your trades will hit your take profit. Also, the price will not always go in your direction like this. Yeah, we had a massive sell-off, but maybe the price it would have reached only this level, it would have turned to the upside or something. So that's why personally I've decided to close my position, even if the Euro USD was strongly bearish in the short term, and my stop loss was already at break even, and my decision was to take profit and not to let it ride, maybe because I wanted maybe the price to hit this level or something like this, or because I still believe or something that maybe the Euro USD could extend its sell-off or something. And also it's very important to have a really good money management, risk management, because I know that maybe you want to trade 10 trades per day, or to use a higher risk or something, but it's important long term to be profitable long term, okay, to take profits, to manage your positions. So what ABOB, what not use a stop trailing when trade reach TP. Euro USD trade was a great profit, thank you for that. I opened it with one lot. Sinan, okay, it's perfect, great. I also used 5 lot to Euro USD. I don't know your trading accounts, but 1 lot and 5 lots, I believe that you have a huge account. Because but it's your call, guys. I don't know what risk, what your risk was on that trade or something, but personally I've shared my position, my trade, my trade management, and personally my risk was only 0.4, 0.5, something like this. Small risk. Okay, let's go back. USD Japanese yen. So I will keep an eye on this market as well, but right now I don't have a setup. It continues to challenge here this demand zone, and demand zone. Okay, if it stays, maybe I will keep an eye only on 137.03. If it stays above it, it has retest here. Maybe it could develop something here, but right now we'll wait. Always 1% of my account is my yeah, great, Sinan, perfect. Yeah, personally, I've used lately. I've used lower risk, 0.5, 0.4. I don't know, but maybe I will soon. I will start increasing my risk. Maybe again to 1%. I will risk maybe 1% of my trading account per trade again. Yeah. So I'm still keeping that pending order in gold for now. And I will try to answer your questions. So here is gold. Here is gold. Yeah. It's still inside of this this flag. Immediate supply zones. So let's wait, guys, to see how it will react. But after this strong rally, maybe a retreat was natural, was expected. And right now, as you can see, only false breakdown with great separation. Right now it challenges the immediate downtrend line. The flag is resistance and also the supply zone. Yeah, let's wait. Maybe this could be a really good trade. Let's wait. I will come back with my management with updates into the VIP group if the price reaches my my entry. Okay. Ethereum and Bitcoin on the way down. Let's take a look. On the way down. Yeah, as expected, maybe Bitcoin after this massive sell-off, after escaping from this pattern here, massive sell-off, sideways movement, and right now, yeah, it has retested 22,000 psychological level, inside sliding line here. Yeah, the pressure is still high. And also, guys, don't forget that one moment. So learn to trade. Please visit our website, guys. Learn to trade. Okay, and you have here crypto in the main menu, crypto trading bot. Okay, and if you want to use this trading bot, this works. This algorithm or trading bot works automatically, and if you want to use it maybe for crypto trading, yeah, I will send the link into the chat right now. You can use it. It sends automatically signals. The bot manages the trades. Yeah. Average. What is the average monthly return on our trading bot? It depends, Joe Dive. It depends, because right now it depends. Okay, it depends. But in the last 2 months, January and February, yeah, it was what? And what's the minimum capital recommended to run the crypto bot? I am going to join VIP soon using the affiliate link. Took me a bit longer than I wanted. Joe Dive. So affiliate links. Do you mean that you want to open a trading account? But don't forget that if you are opening a trading account, you need to trade. Yeah, to be able to not only to open a trading account, also about Ethereum. Please, guys, for more details about how much can a trader earn per month, please, guys, again, support. If you have questions also about that crypto trading bot support, please ask questions. Please visit our website, and you can join you can join the L2T trading bot free Telegram group if you want to know more details about results or something. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Okay, so Ethereum. Yeah, also about Ethereum. But please, guys, don't forget. What? Is yours better? I cannot do crypto with mine. Dear, in VIP channel cannot follow all trades. Really hope your Telegram copier. Why not? Yeah. Please don't forget, guys, that trading is risky. Crypto trading is risky as well. So personally, that's why I don't want to talk about how much a trader can earn per month. It doesn't matter. Maybe first of all, it's important not to lose money, and because personally, I'm talking about money management, risk management all the time, and then you can. Are you in the US? No. So Ethereum. So trading is risky, guys. Crypto trading is risky, Forex trading is risky, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, but yeah, Ethereum. Yeah, right now I believe that we already have also. Yeah, that algo, that crypto trading bot already sent short positions. It's already short in Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. And yeah, let's wait to see. Yeah, okay, Ethereum sideways movement after retesting the broken uptrend line. So the sideways movement could represent a potential distribution pattern before extending its sell-off. Yeah, I'm still keeping that pending order in gold for now. Pending order. So yeah, also here it has retested 1676 key level resistance, sell-off, sideways movement, and in my opinion the bias remains bearish, the pressure remains high, and it could still maybe approach and reach maybe again the channel's downside line, maybe the demand zone or something. So in my opinion, it's still bearish. If I install Telegram copier EA in MetaTrader 4, it is compatible with your VIP channel. I don't know, because right now I don't think that you can copy our Telegram, the content or the trades from our Telegram group, only because there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there. So right now I don't think that, but how is how? Yeah, it is comfortable. Yeah, I don't know exactly, because personally I'm not using something like that, but you can try to use it, or you can send an email to support as well. Yeah, as I've said, if you have these kind of questions. I'm hearing that US Fed will rise rates again market outlook. Yeah, Godspeed Freeman. That's why the US dollar rallied. And yeah, the Federal Reserve, yeah, is expected to increase the federal funds rate again, but it seems that or actually you already know from my webinars that that the US reported higher inflation again in January, and if the US will report higher inflation in February, then yeah, maybe the Federal Reserve could deliver a new 50 basis points rate hike again, versus only 25 basis points rate hike in the February monetary policy meeting. So that's why gold crashed, silver crashed, US dollar rallied in the short term. Okay. Bernardo, I just signed through and emailed support. Still waiting. Yeah, Bernardo, please wait. The support team will come back to you. The support agents will come back to you. Personally, I'm not here. I'm here only as a trader, as a market analyst. So yeah. Okay, so are there minimum to load my account, or it is up to me? Rami, on what? What's your opinion for a news Federal Reserve chair later? So it seems that let's go back. It seems that so first of all, anything could happen, guys. Anything could happen. Okay, but yeah, after yesterday's after Jerome Powell's remarks from yesterday, maybe today's same situation. It could still have an impact. Rami, please send an email to support, and yeah, you can use your own trading configuration if you are using the algo, the crypto. It's up to you if you want to use 1% of your trading account per trade, 5%, 2%, or I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So about Fed Chair Powell testifies. It could still have a big impact. Okay, it could still have a big impact, and in theory, maybe, and fundamentally speaking, maybe more hawkish than expected remarks or speech maybe could lift the dollar index, could force the US dollar to appreciate. But as I've said, technically the dollar index is bullish, is strongly bullish despite this retreat. And personally, I'm still looking for US dollar longs, and also it remains to see. But personally, maybe I'll wait a little, because I don't want maybe to have open trades during the this high impact event, because anything could happen. Okay, yesterday, we had this strong rally. Okay, but I don't know what will really happen later today, because maybe this is already priced in. Today's the Fed Chair Powell testifies, maybe it's already priced in. Maybe it could still retreat or something. Also, if job openings maybe will come in worse than expected or something. So it's important. One moment, I will take a look. US oil, please. Yeah, I will. I've said that I will take a look on US oil as well. Take a few different courses, study chart patterns, do demo account for 1 year. Denise, yeah, a demo account, it's really good, but also after yeah, demo account, it's really good, but when you will have a strategy, okay, your own strategy, maybe your own approach or something, then it's important also maybe to trade on a real account, because yeah, it's completely different. Yeah, it's different. Maybe you will be profitable on a demo account, you will double, you will triple your account, your demo account, and when you will start trading with real money, you will crash it. Okay, it's different. It's different, but yeah, trading on a demo account is really good if you're a beginner. If you want to learn, or if you want to understand how if you want to learn more about trading, yeah, and but when you will feel ready, and when you have a strategy or something, yeah, it's important also to how you can never learn psychology with demo account. Yeah, that's why I said it's important. Demo, it's important because yeah, it's important to understand about risk management, money management, about price action, patterns, strategies, a lot of things. But yeah, as I've said, in demo account there is no emotion. Yeah, and yeah, when you will use a real account, I don't know, you will have a different management and trade management, because maybe you will let your trade ride in the demo account, and when you will be in small profit, maybe in real account, maybe you will take the profit, you will not let the trade ride or something, because yeah, you want to take a small profit, you will I don't know, yeah, it's completely different. Okay, but yeah, problem in emotion and greed. Yeah, okay, I will take a look again on that. Yeah, gold. Yeah, it's still there. It's still there on that demand zone. That's why personally I didn't wanted to go long at market, or to. That's why personally I have a pending order right now in gold, because the downside pressure remains high, as the DXY is still bullish. Yeah, it's still bullish. It has only retested 105.63, and right now it tries to come back higher, but staying below the immediate highs. Retest here, a new lower low, taking out 105.63 could still signal potential downside movement. And in 1 hour and 3 minutes we'll have one moment, let's refresh the economic calendar, because yeah, yeah, worse than no, actually better than expected, but worse compared to the previous reporting period. Canadian trade balance better than expected, but as I've said at the beginning of this webinar, probably the traders actually maybe will have or actually the dollar index, the price of gold could change a little after the ADP non-farm employment change, and the traders could wait for the BOC, for the Fed Chair Powell testifies again, for job openings before taking action. Okay, so maybe we'll have sharp movements only in 1 hour. Okay, but right now DXY is still under pressure. That's why I'm still keeping that pending order in gold. Okay, US oil, yeah. It seems that US oil, US oil, yeah. Here it has invalidated this demand zone, false breakdown and great separation. Probably here a new higher high, it would have signaled a potential rebound, but you can see that it has failed to approach and reach 77.69 breakdown. So right now, yeah, maybe I will keep an eye on this on this former low. Okay, because here demand zone, new demand zone, and I don't know if I'll have yeah, on 15 minutes we'll have we still have maybe this demand zone here. So I'll keep an eye on US oil as well, and false breakdowns, great separation, a bullish pattern, or something here above 76.33 or above 76.10 could still signal potential rebound. But right now yeah, right now only because US dollar Canadian dollar is but don't forget guys that the BOC gold will fly. Michelle, I don't know. I don't know if gold will fly. Let's hope that gold will fly, because maybe we can catch a potential upwards movement in gold. Jones, good afternoon. If you hope you are having a good day. How are you, Jones? How are you, Jones? So US oil, the BOC will have a big impact. BOC rate statement, overnight rate, but yeah, as you already know from the economic calendars or from my analysis, the overnight rate is expected to remain steady at 4.50%. But also job openings, Fed Chair Powell testifies, and the BOC rate statement should have a big impact also on US oil. That's why right now I don't want to do anything maybe in US oil. It's still bearish in the short term. It's still bearish, and maybe I will try to catch something maybe later if it stays above the immediate support levels, downside obstacles, if it registers only false breakdowns or something. But yeah, right now I'll have to wait. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I had to check something. The creator, I will be joining your VIP channel soon. Yeah, it's up to you guys. Personally, I'm not forcing anyone to join or to trade, or it's up to you, guys. But yeah, if you want to follow my trades, my trade management, or if you want to get all my VIP content, yeah, it's important to join the VIP group, because personally, I don't know. Personally, I'm not sharing my trade in the free group. I'm sharing my trades, my trade management, and my VIP content into the VIP group. Okay, so yeah. So US oil under pressure. How is sir? What is the opinion on Euro Japanese yen, since it have a high impact even to the news is US? Yeah, about the Japanese yen, guys. Yeah. And if you want to join, guys, you can still use that code, that coupon, YouTube, at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Please, guys, don't forget to like the video here. About Japanese yen, so yeah, it's still valid. My pending order is still valid here in gold. How long have you been trading? I don't know. More than 10 years. Yeah, more than 10 years, and you will understand maybe later. Even if you are an experienced trader, and even if you have maybe a trading strategy right now or something, yeah, you can still be you can still have bad trades as well. Trading is not only about winning trades. It's also it's only about trade management, money management, and personally, even if I have I don't know, a really bad period, a week or month, or I don't know, 1 year or something, for me, what is really important after several years in trading is that I'm not losing money. Okay, I'm not losing money in trading, and personally, I'm working on my strategies all the time because yeah, it's important to, I don't know, maybe to work on your strategy. Maybe you need I don't know, new um, confirmation using new tools or techniques, or I don't know. Yeah, it's important. It's really important. So that's why right now, personally, I've used lately only as 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0.3 risk per trade, only because I've worked a lot on new setups and on new strategy, on a new Confluence trading strategy, because personally I really don't like to use only um, a concept or indicator or technical tool or something. Yeah. After yeah, more than 10 years in trading, yeah, you will understand or actually personally I really want to use it's actually it's really important, guys, to understand the price action, also the fundamentals. It's important to use a mix between the technicals and fundamentals, and yeah, this is my opinion. That's why personally I'm not using only a concept, only a I don't know, only Elliott wave, or only Fibonacci, only pitchfork, only smart money concepts. Yeah, because I'm using all these. Yeah, and trying to identify the best setups, high probability trades. Really good setups with really good risk to reward ratio or something. If you have questions, guys, because personally, yeah, right now I'm still waiting for gold here. I'm still waiting for gold. I'm still waiting for gold. False breakout. False breakout, guys. That's why I didn't want it to go long at market after reaching this demand zone. I need confirmation. I want the price to take out the supply zone. I want to invalidate this supply here, to take out the resistance 1815 before extending its growth. And yeah, I've used a lot of indicators, concepts, strategies, all these years, and yeah, but it's important, guys, to understand that if personally I'm using pitchfork, you don't have to use pitchfork. Okay, you don't have to use maybe Fibonacci. You don't have to use. You can use, I don't know. You can be profitable with Elliott wave, with only using moving averages, or only using Pikimoku, or using, I don't know, smart money concept or something. But yeah, it depends. Yeah. One moment. Yeah. So have you ever took a trade that scared you, but you still took a change? What do you mean? So when I take a trade or when I place a trade, I'm not scared, guys, because personally I already know. Here is my potential entry. Here is my stop loss. Here's my take profit. Okay, and a really good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, I'm risking, for example, 0.5 percent for my trading account, or 1%, and maybe I could win 2% or 1%. It depends. Okay, depends on the risk. And no, because I already know before placing the trade that I could lose 0.5 or 1% of my trading account. So, bro, we can start longing gold now. Trevor, I don't know. It's up to you. Personally, I have a pending order. And I will not tell you what to do. Personally, I've shared my my trade, my pending order. It's up to you. I don't know your risk. I don't know your trading account. I will not tell you what to do because I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, everything here is for educational purpose. Here I'm sharing my trades, my trade management, my analysis, my opinions. Gold is definitely short, not long. Yeah, the creator, I mean, chance. Okay, US dollar, Japanese yen. What about that market? I've talked about that market. Please, I've told you all the time, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at, your levels as well, if you are long, if you are short, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, yeah, your levels, your time frame, very, very important, because if I will take a look here on 15 minutes on US oil, and maybe if I will have a trade here, I don't know, maybe I want to go long here, but on 4 hour maybe I want to sell it or something. So please, guys, I don't think that it's really that hard to tell me what you are looking at, and to share your levels, your time frame. Okay, you can go long, for example, on US dollar, Japanese yen on 4 hour, only because yeah, this is maybe only a temporary retreat, but I don't know, maybe on 15 minutes you want to sell it, or on short term you can still catch a potential deeper drop here towards this area, or yeah, but okay. Yeah, it seems that yeah, someone asked me about 136.70. Yeah, it has invalidated here the demand zone. So that's why, guys, personally, I'm not using only that concept, or actually, please take a look here. I didn't place it by limit, or I didn't wanted. I did not want it to go long at market after reaching this support, reaching this demand, because the price could take out a support level, could invalidate the demand zone or something. So yeah, I'm looking only for high probability trades, and I need confirmation. And yeah, it could still right now it challenges the range is resistance. Let's take a look. And yeah, it could approach and reach maybe the 50% retracement level. Okay, and 136.72, the 50% retracement level, and this demand zone, and then it could rebound, because here, yeah, it has invalidated the demand. demand zone. That's why maybe it could still extend its sell-off towards the new imbalance, towards the new demand zone here. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So if you don't have questions, I'm going short on Eurojet with stuff TV. Yeah, it's your trade, it's your call. So you want to. I'm going short on Euro Japanese yen 144.6 here. You are short, or you want to place a sell limit. 44 yeah, here, and TP already triggered at, yeah, it's already triggered. Yeah, it seems that you are in profit. Nice trade. .1. Yeah, okay. Chris, is order block and supply or demand zone same thing? Yeah, personally I'm talking about demand and supply instead of order blocks. yeah, this is an order block, this is an order block or something, but personally I'm talking about demand and supply. Okay, maybe support, resistance. Chris. Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, guys. Personally, maybe I will come back later with something after the economic data, because right now not the same, bro. Order block is a point of control. So personally, I've told you guys in my previous webinars, I'm not using this indicator as it is, maybe, or I'm not trading only based on this indicator, only based on these order blocks. Personally, I'm looking for potential trades, yeah, around these zones because we have a demand zone, or around these zones because we have a supply zone, yeah, and but I'm not trading only based on those order blocks, or yeah. I feel gold is going to go short if the Fed says anything. The market, like, I would stick to learn to trade buy order instead of market buy to be safe if you want to go long. Yeah, let's wait. So 42 minutes before the BOC, before the Fed Chair Powell testifies, job openings. I will keep an eye on gold because yeah, anything could happen. Gold could register sharp movements again, so that's why I'll have to keep an eye on this market, because I don't want to the price to turn against me, maybe on gold, to reach my my entry and then to turn against me or something. So yeah. 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 And about Euro Japanese yen, yeah, personally I was looking at this market too late, maybe today here, maybe a sell stop here below this former low. It would have been good or something. After testing, retesting, or after this valid breakdown, because you can see here the price dropped it below 144.88, and then it has extended its sell-off. Maybe we had an opportunity here. Yeah, I've missed this opportunity here on this market. Last week you gave key resistance at for gold. It went down. It is considered a false breakout. Gold. So please, guys, understand that. So what? 100. Sorry, 1007 or something like this. 1807 as key level. Last week, I don't know about I don't know exactly if I've said that 1807 is a key level or something last week. And yeah, here if you'll take a look here, yeah, we had a false breakdown with great separation below 1806. This is a key level, maybe, in my opinion. Here it was a video on channel. Yeah, maybe I've talked about one, but yeah, it was last week. Right now we have different levels. Please take a look what happened since last week. So just want to know that it's considered false breakout or not for educational purpose. So right now I don't have a key level 1807. I don't have. Okay. But if you want a false breakdown for educational purpose, you have a false breakdown here. Okay, false breakdown with great separation. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, that one. Okay, false breakdown, great separation here on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. If you will take a look on lower time frames, false breakdown. Yeah, as well. Okay. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like the video. Personally, maybe I'll come back later with new potential setups and trades after the economic data. Bye bye.